Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a great weekend, and welcome to this new video on Dogecoin. Wanted to cover it today. We got some nice momentum in the night actually, or the evening for the US session. I'm not sure. It's always like it's either very early in the morning in Asia, or it's people staying up late in the US, bumping up the price. But we got a nice bump. If you also look across the markets, you can see that right now, at least from the most traded cryptos, Dogecoin is in the top 5. So it's performing relatively well. All right, it's relatively strong here. We got some nice, like if you check out the if you check out the shorter time frames, I would say that we are solidifying some sort of a bullish market structure, right? We had some resistance right here at like 10.6, 10.8 cents. Earlier we hit a significant support level right here at around like 8 cents and 9 cents, which was after the crash back on Monday. But now you can see with the EMAs as well, technically we are in an uptrend, which is great. Got some nice momentum yesterday, like I said. So for now, short term, in combination with what I expect from Bitcoin as well, I'm bullish on Dogecoin. All right, I think you have to be. Here you can see the momentum. Momentum is going up. Got a bullish breakout. Short term, there's a bit of a reversal here. So I am short term bullish on Dogecoin. I think, however, like the real potential for Dogecoin is still if we break above 11.5 and 12 cents. All right, that's by far, if you go to the higher time frames, that's by far the strongest resistance level. 12, 11.5 cents. That was also like once that level broke last week Friday, not last week Friday, but the Friday before, like when we got that bad employment data, when the market started to crash practically, when we got that bearish breakout and the retest, then it was over. All right, and that's also like we covered Dogecoin back then, and I also told you, well, this just looks bearish. It looks like we're going down to that 9 cents, 10 cents area. So that's the main level to reclaim, and that's also where you can see, like if you go to the 1 hour time frame and you look at the EMAs and you look at the trend band, if you look at the 4 hour time frame, that's all relatively bullish. But then the 12 hour time frame is where we are still bearish. So do I expect us to get into that area right here between 11.5 and 12 cents? Yes. I think the short term momentum is enough, and it's young enough, if that makes sense, to still push up into that. But to break above that, honestly, like of course, if anything happens with Elon Musk or with X, then the fundamentals are strong enough to push above that as well. But given the situation right now where that's not the case, the only way Dogecoin can push above that level is if Bitcoin breaks above something like 62,500. All right, so for now, short term, I'm bullish on Dogecoin. The question of whether we can actually break out, that depends too much on Bitcoin for me to say. Right, I think it's more likely that Bitcoin is going to stay bullish here, and that's also why, all right, well, this is what I expect on the short term. That's the reason why I think that it's most likely we will do something like this, but I would not buy Dogecoin right now, speculating on that. All right, it's the end of the weekend. We're going to get a lot of volatility in the markets. Bitcoin could still turn around here. There's a ton of external factors which are not too great for the market right now. So short term, I'm confident enough to tell you that I think this is most likely. Doesn't necessarily mean you should buy, but to get the breakout, I'll keep you updated on that. Depends too much on the markets. I would say we're going to get it, but that's largely based on that I'm bullish on Bitcoin right now, and that could still change. But those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching. If you do have any questions, of course, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.